Hi guys, this is Oppo A5 2020. Now I want to show how to factory reset Oppo A5 2020. First of all, you have to turn off your device, just pressing the power, then scroll down and it's turn off. Now you can see this is Oppo A2020 device. Now I want to show how to factory reset in my device. First of all, you have to, this is power button and that is the volume down button. You have to press both buttons together at the same time. I pressed the both button at the same time. Yes. When the Oppo logo is appear, just release the power button and just wait. And you can see there is a language, 2 Chinese and 1 English. I am selecting English, and you can see there is a more option here. Now I want to select web data, and you have to see there is a verification code 5909, and you have to press this code, and there is 2 options. If you not delete to SMS first of here, and then you have to restore all, then format data. I have no need to SMS, that's why I select format data. You may switch another one, that's okay. And the data is deleting. Just wait a few seconds or a minute. Yes, it's web successfully, just okay. And this device is rebooting new. It's like a new device. Yes, thanks for watching. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you got any kind of problem, please comment in the below.